In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with ClickUp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow by bringing your emails and tasks together. By the end of this video, you'll have your Outlook calendar synced with ClickUp, making it so much easier to keep track of meetings, deadlines, and daily tasks all in one place. So let's dive straight in. First things first, start by opening up your ClickUp workspace. If you're already logged in, fantastic. Head over to your dashboard. If not, go ahead and sign in. Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything from here. Your workspace in ClickUp is essentially your home base for all your projects, lists, and tasks. This is where all integrations get set up, so it's crucial to be in the right spot. Once you're comfortably inside ClickUp, look for the More option. You can usually find this in the sidebar, or it may be tucked away under a menu that looks like 3 dots, depending on your layout. Think of this More option as your secret door to a whole bunch of extra features that aren't immediately visible. It's like finding the tools drawer in your kitchen where all the handy gadgets are kept, just waiting for you to discover how to use them. So go ahead and click on the More option. From the drop-down menu that appears, pick Apps. This is where ClickUp keeps all its integration options, making it really simple to connect with other services that you use daily. Now, when you get to the Apps section, you'll notice there's a search bar at the top. Here's a neat little tip. Instead of scrolling endlessly through all the available apps, just type Outlook into that search box. It's pretty smart. This search will filter the results and show you only what you need. Once you enter Outlook, ClickUp will display 3 different options for you. It's important to pay close attention here because Outlook can integrate with ClickUp in a few different ways, typically through email, contacts, or calendar. But for our workflow, we're going to focus on syncing your calendar, as that's the most useful for managing those crucial meetings and deadlines inside ClickUp. So go ahead and select the option that says Calendar. Just click on it once. By making this selection, you're ensuring that your Outlook calendar events will actually show up inside ClickUp, and vice versa. Just picture it. All your appointments and tasks displayed on one big, easy-to-read bulletin board. No more flipping between separate apps trying to figure out what you should be working on next. After you've selected Calendar, you'll see a Connect button appear. Go ahead and click on that, and the integration process will begin. This next part may take a few seconds, so hang tight while ClickUp gets things set up. The interface will prompt you to log in to your Outlook account. This step is simply to ensure that ClickUp has permission to sync your calendar events. You'll see a familiar Outlook login screen pop up. Just enter your usual credentials. If you've already logged in somewhere else, it might even skip ahead for you. After logging in, just click Continue. If you happen to get an extra confirmation pop-up or two, don't worry. That's just Outlook double-checking to make sure you really want to link your account. And just like that, the integration process will finish up, and your Outlook calendar will be directly connected to your ClickUp workspace. From now on, every time you create or update a calendar event in Outlook, it'll show up in ClickUp. This makes staying on top of your schedule so much easier, all without extra effort. If this process took a minute or you had to retry at any point, that's completely normal. Sometimes tech can be a little finicky, but once you have it set up, it really smooths out your workflow and makes managing your tasks a lot simpler. I hope this tutorial helps you connect Outlook with ClickUp. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll be sure to respond. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.